Yeah, hello and good evening. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to m- make your GitHub link act like a URL. It is very important because it is not enough to send me just your GitHub link, but I would love you to, host your website on the URL, and you can on a server, and you can send to me. Now, in today's class, we talked about you know using GitHub. I know most of us would have done the GitHub. We've added our account. We've post our files into GitHub, like something like this. We dragged our files. We put them here. We have index.html and stuff like that. Cool. What we want to do now is we want to make sure that this link will actually look like a web page. So what we'll do is we'll come to something they call Netlify. Netlify, yes. So once you go to Netlify, just go to Netlify. You're supposed to see something like this. Just click login. So you have your GitHub account logged in on your PC. You have Netlify. You don't need to create a special account. All you just have to do is connect your Netlify and your GitHub together. So I'm going to click this guy here. So it's going to check if you are logged in. If you are not logged in, it will ask you to log in. Fine, log in with your username and your password. Add your email verification and just authorize Netlify. So this will go and check for all your repos, I don't want to pronounce the name, repositories or whatever. So you can fill up this information. I'll just say school. I am a student. My first project will be just school project, and you can just name your school and just put King Plus. Anything is up to you. Then set up and continue. So it's going to ask you for two things. Deploy your first project. Do you want from Git or do you want to browse template? Obviously we want from Git. So I'm going to put import from Git. Now there's GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and so we don't need all those one. We need GitHub. So select GitHub. It's going to open something for you. It's going to ask you to authorize again. So you just authorize it again. That's all. Just authorize it again. Then once you've done that, come down and just say all repository and click install. So it's going to ask me for my password, and I'm sorry, I've forgotten my password here. So let me try and just hope it works. So once it has done that, I will go to this is the only repo I have, so I'm going to click this guy. So I'll leave it on main and I'll click deploy. So I'm going to wait for it to deploy. So once it's deployed, just be patient enough. It's going to deploy. So you're going to see site deploy in progress. Come to site settings here. This is your link here, but I don't want this link. I can come and change the name. I can call it your project. You can put your name. So I'll just put Victor, and I can just Victor. No, let me not use Victor. Let me just use just give you something. You can put your name. You can put anything. So I'll just put week 1. So week 1 Victor, the name of a project, and put your name. So I'm going to click save. So as you can see, that's it here. So this is what I'm going to pick. Copy. Just copy this address here and come here, and boom, you have your website already. So imagine sending me this link and I'm going to be able to check your project. So that's the best way for you to just connect, host your website online. So thank you.